Today's cleaning day and I have a situation. Usually when I clean, I go through the entire house and I do my laundry. However, my washing machine is broke. It went kaput. I went in there, water everywhere, and normally I would stroke out about a situation like that. But I'm not sweating it. I have a repairman coming out next week. He's gonna check it out. It may run me a couple $100. I may even have to go out and buy a new washing machine. But do you know why I'm not stressing out about it? It's because I created an additional stream of income here online just by learning high income skills and how to monetize my social media. So I'm no longer the average person that spends 90 minutes a day scrolling just for entertainment or recipe or maybe even a workout. I invested in myself. I took a course that teaches me everything that I need to know to set up the foundation to my business, how to market my business, and how to put that on automation because I want more free time. And I've done exactly that. So this washing machine, if I gotta buy a new one, I gotta buy a new one. But I'm not sweating it because I have that money now. If you would have talked to me this time last year, I would have been freaking out because I'm like, oh my God, I'm not ready. I don't have that extra income, that extra money just sitting in my bank account to go buy a washing machine. So guys, if you are ready to learn how to build a business online so you can stop stressing and worrying about gas prices, grocery bills. Somebody told me the other day that their grocery bill was seriously running them over $1,000 a month for a family of 5. And that is just insane. So if you say yes to an opportunity and invest in yourself, you can actually change that situation. Like this video, make sure you're following me because I'm sharing exactly how to build a business online so you can enjoy your life and have a stress-free, fun, entertaining, do whatever you want to do lifestyle.